Agilent's Infinium-90000Q-Series real-time oscilloscopes represent the absolute pinnacle of oscilloscope technology, boasting 4 channels at up to 33 GHz and 2 channels at up to 63 GHz. What kind of rise time can you measure with a full 63 GHz of bandwidth? We've set up a rise time measurement using the calibration output of the scope and Agilent's new N2807A ultra-fast pulse generator, which accelerates the cal out edge to 7 picosecond rise times. On the scope, we're measuring the signal after edge acceleration at 63 GHz scope bandwidth. We've set up a rise time measurement for both 2080 and 1090 rise times, demonstrating a rise time of 5 picoseconds for the ultra-fast edge generated by the pulse generator. An edge this fast has never been measured on a real-time oscilloscope before. In addition to being the world's fastest oscilloscope, the Agilent Q-Series features the industry's lowest noise floor. In this measurement, we're looking at the oscilloscope noise at 50 millivolts per division. By simply turning on a histogram of the noise, we see that the Q-Series features a noise floor of 2 millivolts RMS, which is between 20 and 30% lower than the same measurement of any other oscilloscope on the market today. Now, let's look at what 63 GHz of bandwidth means for a real-time eye. The signal we'll be looking at has a 12 picosecond rise time and is a 10.3125 gigabit per second signal. Here, we display the signal with the Q-Series bandwidth limited to 10 GHz. Notice that the signal appears like a sine wave. At 10 GHz, there's only enough bandwidth to look at the first harmonic of this signal. Now we measure the same signal at 20 GHz. Notice how the eye shape begins to appear more like a square wave. At 33 GHz, the shape of the signal is now clear. However, there is still some ringing, as even at 33 GHz, there's not enough oscilloscope bandwidth to capture this signal. Finally, we capture the signal at 63 GHz. The eye is fully open. We can see the exact rise time of the signal. Agilent's Precision Probe software is the fastest and easiest way to remove insertion loss due to probes, cables, switches, or any other unwanted circuit element in your measurement system. The combination of the Q-Series oscilloscope and the 7 picosecond edges produced by the new ultra-fast pulse generator allow insertion loss characterization and removal up to 63 GHz. Agilent's new Infinium Q-Series oscilloscopes offer the lowest noise and jitter measurement floor of any real-time scope available today, guaranteeing you the best possible margins in your eye diagram measurements. For more information, visit us at www.agilent.com/find/Infinium Q-Series.